Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to solve the Office is already being installed, and error code 0-2035-0. When installing Microsoft Office, the issue occurs. Let's go start. Download the utility directly from official Office Tool Plus website. Open any web browser and search Office Tools in searching bar. I have already to the file, so not necessary to download the software for me. I just shared the processing system. Click to installer for your system. Click Office Tool Plus. Update no click. On the left side of the window, select the Toolbox section. In the Open menu, click Remove Office. Ask for Sure to Clean Office? Click Yes. Wait for the process to complete. All remnants of Office applications will be fully removed. Close window. Type msconfig in the Windows search box and press Enter. Pick the Services tab. Mark Hide all Microsoft services and select Disable all. Select the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. In the Task Manager, right-click on each of the items and select Disable, then close the Task Manager. Go to the Boot tab. Mark the Safe Boot option, then click Apply and OK. Without restart, click. Type PowerShell in Windows Search. Click on the PowerShell. When UAC shows up, click Yes. In the new window, copy and paste the following command, pressing Enter after. Get X package name. Microsoft Office Desktop. Remove X package. Wait to complete the removal. Type updates in the Windows search bar and hit Enter. In the new window, and click Update and Security. If updates are pending, click Download and Install. Otherwise, click Check for updates. Restart your system to implement the changes. After restart, again, try to install the Office software. Successfully the installation. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.